Okay, this is the Parnis that I serviced last time, this Parnis GMT automatic. Inside is a Seagull movement, probably ST1690, and this video will be a complement to my last two videos. So welcome on Ticking Watch, and let's see why I'm doing this video. As you can see now, when I'm changing the time, every time when the minute hand past 12 o'clock, the GMT hand also changes his position. So now everything works perfect. If you saw my two last videos, you already know that I was having the problem with the GMT hand. It was just blocked. What I didn't show you in my two last videos about the service, one part of the movement was just damage. And in the next few minutes of this video, I will show you what was the problem and how I fix it. So inside the movement we have such small part, let's call it a cam, and this small part is placed over this wheel here, which has such an edge here. This edge here has here some dents. They are caused probably by me when I was trying to set the GMT hand. When we look down on the movement, these parts are placed exactly here. Here enlarge, and this is the cam, or the small part. And the cam has a small pin which is made just by pressing. And the problem here was that the pin was just too short. And how I made the pin longer, I'm using here such a tool with this punch. I'm not sure if it is the right name. And using this tool, so a small hammer and this punch, I will just make the pin longer, probably exactly how it was done before in the factory, just by pressing. Let's see how I've done it, and let's see later the final result. I think that's enough. Okay. And let's see this part enlarge again, and that's the result. Maybe it doesn't look great, not the most elegant way, but the pin is bigger. So this is after, and before it was looking like that. So anyway, you already know that I was successful. Here few shots how this whole mechanism works. So that's this cam that is turning the GMT our wheel. So it works, and also I can change the GMT hand or GMT wheel by pressing the button from the side, and here you can see how it works. So yeah, that's all from my side. I hope you learned something new and you really enjoyed this video. So that was the story about my Parnis GMT watch in a dressy look. Anyway, on the whole, I'm pretty happy about this watch. I like to wear it. It isn't very luxurious, but as you can see, if you cannot make some things alone, it can be quite expensive purchase. Because going to a watchmaker, such repair can cost you a few bucks more. Okay, that's it from my side. Like, share, and of course stay alerted for my new videos. Take care, bye bye.